Hi, I'm Mike Allen. Thanks for joining me as I provide an overview of the Cisco Small Business Smart Series switches. This series of switches offers most of the powerful networking features of a managed switch, but lack the management complexities. With 12 models, you can choose the right one to build your small business network. Use these switches to connect your computers, printers, and servers. Cisco Smart Switches are available in 5, 8, 24, and 48 port models with options for fast or gigabit Ethernet connectivity and power over Ethernet or PoE. What's great about PoE is that it can be used to connect and power network endpoints such as wireless access points, IP phones, or IP video cameras right over the network connection. All switches feature quality of service, which allow you to prioritize your network traffic and improve network performance. Smart switches keep your network and data safe using a variety of enhanced security measures that prevent unauthorized access from non-privileged users. For more information on the Cisco Smart Switches and other Cisco small business solutions, visit www.cisco.com/go/smallbusiness. And thanks for watching.